Dan, this can't be. We can't have run out of apes.
They're just here looking at me, looking perplexed while shitting everywhere.
Stupid monkeys. Go, 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 go! What's just the painted nipples scaring me? We need to wait till night time now. They glow in the dark!
Are you recording?
Yes! We did as you said! You told us to do it and we did it.
Who are you talking to?
Reddit. No! There's one still alive as well.
It's like group hug!
The purple one! Everything about them is funny. Ow, I'm being attacked. Ow. Oh, Troodon! This is it! This is it, Dan. These are the super powerful things.
Oh yeah.
Look at them go!
Oh shit, I'm out.
They're doing such a good job! Oh, I'm out too.
Seeing them frantically running back and forth.
Why would I wake up?
They are so OP though, it's ridiculous.
It works! Compy. Wow, that compy just got annihilated. Oh, I can't see anything. Where are you going? Dan, are they following you?
I don't know. I think
They're on their own mission
trying
now.
to kill something.
What are they doing? Oh, hang on, loot these bodies. Oh, you can't. Oh, they're terrifying though, aren't
I
they?
like how their eyes glow. Not so powerful now, are you? It's like the parade for the steel unions of America.
It's the miners' strike. The monkey train is hilarious. Go monkeys!
Have we not? We've already got all of them, haven't we?
They're like white because it's so bright. Oh, velociraptors. Get them! Sick 'em, boys!
They're literally all dead already. Yes, they are.
Ow! Something attacked me. Oh! That was a velociraptor.
Stop swimming out to try and get it.
More! Oh, that's cheating. Ah! I can't see anything but just monkey butt. Tomo, get out of the way! Hang on.
Oh, we've lost some.
I know, I'm gonna free them. One of the monkeys is stuck on it. Oh!
Where?
Dan, back here. Quick. Oh, miss. Oh, wow. She did it on her own.
Not really surprised.
Wow.
We'll come down here and take a picture. Just on this leg.
I like how some of them are just turned around the wrong way as well. The moon in the background. It's like a terrible Twilight movie. We need to fight the Broodmother.
Yes, we do. So
That is literally the next video. More monkeys. More monkeys. Baby monkey. Oh, what was that? Oh, jumpy crocodile. Jumpy snake. Giant cow thing. Help! Save me, monkeys! Ow! The snake is still attacking me.
I'm being poisoned by everything.
Yeah, I am so poisoned, it's unreal. These monkeys are doing so well, though.
Where's the snake?
Oh, I'm not a toad as well.
Why have we run up
Charity.
there?
Oh, I'm passed out. I don't know what's chasing me, but it's scary.
Chunky Mama is still stuck.
Oh, Chunky Mama.
Oh, here we go. No, she's free.
Chunky Mama. Their names. One of them just flew into the air. Please attack this fly. Oh, wow. Oh, Dan. Hitting things with torches now sets them on fire. Did you know that?
Oh, really? I wonder when they added that. Why
Look.
did you just go flying? Did they try
Look,
and
watch this. Watch this Sarko.
I can't see.
Oh, it didn't work. Okay, I did it to a fly and it worked. Run.
Punch the crocodile.
Yes, I did.
And paleontologists look at this years from now, they'll find all these dinos beaten to death.
There you are. It looks hilarious from a distance. It's
Why
quite
can't I fire? Oh, for Christ's sake, I'm trying to fire.
The Bronto, have you seen how far into the air the Bronto is? Poor Dodo. Oh, the monkeys are being useless. Oh, it's going for me.
I don't know, I can't see anything. Hang on.
What are they punching?
These are the spiffy things. There's a tribe of them. No more. But we got everything. We got everyone.
The flies! Wow!
Oh wow! I know I almost dead in one strike.
They're doing... That thing's really powerful. Look at it go.
It is. I'm surprised it hasn't killed any of them yet, actually, to be honest. But the thing is, though, as soon as it's seen us, it would have basically gone mental.
Oh, I'm... Whoa, where are we?
Yeah, sort of. But it's
we've
still
got
it's still
base
trekking through swamp for quite a while, though.
Oh, okay. I've never felt safer doing so, though.
I know, yeah. I'll give you that.
Wow, some of them are almost ready to give birth as well.
Into the swamp.
Swamp monkeys.
Swamp monkey, swamp monkey.
Taste
Just
like
like
swamp.
swamp.
Talk like monkeys.
I do imagine that's probably accurate.
Come on, who is this who's useless? Is this Helga again, or is this Charity? It's Charity. Charity's constantly getting confused with, like, trees and stuff. Charity's very, very confused.
What did you attack? Okay,
Nothing.
right.
A crocodile bit you.
Oh, I didn't notice.
What?
Shit.
What's that? Look at them go.
They killed it.
Not yet. Oh, it's a jumping... Oh, it's a jumping crocodile fighting 2 piranhas.
Oh, interesting. That is
Piranhas
strange.
are still alive as well. Oh, I'm starving again.
Ow!
Because I keep getting poisoned by things.
Yeah. I know, as soon as I've been poisoned, I like to eat.
By poison, I mean drug.
True. I'm so poisoned!
It's not my fault. It was a scorpion. That's why I can't...
Okay. Under normal circumstances... this
Oh
would
wow,
be-
it's one of those new things. I love monkeys. Wow. Where's its dead body? Where did it roll to?
I don't know.
Hang on, have we got them all?
I'm not sure.
No. There's loads coming still. Man, sometimes I forget how many we brought.
If they get a run up to that hillside, they do actually go get quite good air time. It's just... Oh, Will?
Yeah, I'm ready. Can't help it when they have to stop to poo.
Well, one of them might be a
I'm so
baby, so
childish.
if it is a
One of them might be a baby.
Oh,
like-
so did I.
So did Lola just like flew into the sky?
Luckily, they don't take full damage apparently, unless you're riding them. Have we got everyone? There's like a ridiculously steep cliff and Cherry just went flying.